Hello students, good evening. Today our topic is chapter number 3, linear equations in two variables. In 9th standard you studied linear equation in one variable, that is there is only one variable. There is only one variable, that is x plus 3 is equals to 0. Understand? But in this chapter we have to teach the linear equation in two variables. So what is the linear equation in two variables? So standard equation of two variables in linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, where a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1 should is a real number. a1, b1, a2, b2, c1, c2 belongs to real number. Now there is three conditions of linear equations. What is the condition of number 1? See, number 1 condition is a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. What is this condition? In this condition, a1 upon a2, standard equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Here number 1 condition, and what is the result of this condition? Now check it. Suppose that a1 is, we write down two equation, x plus 2y is equals to 7 and x plus 3y is equals to 8. So compare these two equations with standard equation. So we get a1 is equals to 1, b1 is equals to 2 and a2 is equals to 1 and b2 is equals to 3. Now what is the result of this? So a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. Now what is the result of this condition? We check it with graph. Now this is x plus 2y is equals to 7 and x plus 2y is equals to 8. Both are intersect only one point. Both are intersect with only one point. So we can write it. It is called intersecting line. Number 1 point is intersecting line. Number 2 is only one solution of these two equations, and its technical name is solution is consistent. Why consistent? Because there is only one solution. And intersecting line, why it is intersecting line? Because it intersects with only one point. So we can say that if condition is a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2, so it is intersecting line. It has only one solution and solution of this equation is consistent. Understand, students? Now clear the concept. Now we see another condition. a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, is equals to C1 upon C2. Now check it. As for example, we can take example 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0, and another equation is 4x plus 6y double of this, and this is double of this, is equals to 0. So this is the example of 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. Another equation is 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equals to 0. Now check it whether it is condition is satisfied or not. So a1 upon a2, so 2 upon 4 is equals to 3 upon 6 is equals to 4 upon 8. So 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. See here, graph of this. What is the graph of this? So graph of this is both equation are same, because check this equation, common out 2, so remaining term is 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. 2 is divided by 0, so it is 0. So 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. So both equations are same. So if line of this equation, suppose that line of this equation is like this, so second equation is also in this line. So we can say that if it is solution, suppose this is solution, so two lines are in overlap each other. Two solutions are overlap each other. So we can say that number one, it is coincident line, and you know that it is overlap each other, so it has infinitely many solutions. Number 2 point is it has infinitely many solutions, and number 3, it is consistent. Understand, students? Now if brush it out, if condition is a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2, so solution of this type of equation is overlap each other, which means it has infinitely many solutions. Line, it is called coincident line, and solution of these equations are consistent. What is consistent? Number 3, a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. As for example, x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0, and another example is x plus 3y plus 8 is equals to 0. So what is this? Condition of this is a1 upon a2, so a1 is 1, a2 is 1, b1 upon b2 is b1 is 3, b3 is 3, and this is 7, 8 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Here see that variables, see here variables of x and y, coefficient of variables x and y are same, so they are parallel. Check it with, draw the graph of these two equations and check. It is parallel lines with each other, so it has no solutions. Answer is no solutions. So number 1 is line is parallel. Solution is parallel line. Here it has no solution, and line is inconsistent. Understand, students? So if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2, so result of these equations are coefficient of variables x and y are same, so they are parallel line, which means they are not intersect with each other. So solution of these equations are line is parallel line. It has no solution because lines are not intersect with each other. And last point, it is inconsistent. Understand?